In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload your courses onto the Great Discovery platform. So one of the things that I love about the Great Discovery is that they automatically create all your landing pages and checkout pages and format your course for you by simply following the template. So once you create your account on the Great Discovery, you come here to Creator and Onboard Courses. Once you go to onboard courses, you'll see that I have a number of courses live here. These are in my published status. So I have a YouTube course, a TikTok course, an SEO course. I have an affiliate training and an introduction to the Great Discovery course. Now, if I have a course that's in pending and is waiting to be approved, it will be in my pending section. All of my courses that I'm working on and I have not yet created are in my drafted section. So you see I have some drafted courses here. If I want to edit one of my courses, I can simply click here to edit my course. This is a LinkedIn course, and this is the template that I was talking about. So you simply follow the template, enter in the course title, enter in the description, enter in the skill level. And if you ever get stuck, there are videos up here to walk you through each step like I'm doing now in a little bit more detailed of a fashion. You go to the next step, appearance and trailer. So you upload your thumbnail image and upload your trailer. The type of course, so is it free, is it genius, is it premium, is it academy, what price is it? This course is $50,000. You can actually sell courses on the Great Discovery upwards to $50,000. What category is the course in? So is it about entrepreneurship and business, or about electrical repair, or manifestation, or parenting, or you can do any topic. And if you don't see one of your topics here, you can always ask the company to add it, and they will likely add your topic to the list if we do not already have that category available on the Great Discovery. Here's where you do your language and your translation. So here's where you tell them what is the original language that this course was created in. This course was originally created in English. And if you need to translate the course while on the Great Discovery, you can translate any of your courses into over 160 different languages. This is the what you'll learn section. So this is where you describe what your course is about. And I'll show you how once you complete this template, it creates a custom landing page for you and for your course on the Great Discovery automatically. So you fill out this information here. Then you go to content. So this is where you actually upload the content for your course. On the Great Discovery, we have sections, and inside of the sections, you have your lessons. So you see I have a section here, and then I have my different lessons. I can click edit on the lesson, and this is where I can upload my content. So I do the title, the description, I can add text, video, audio, PDF, I can do files. Once I fill out all this information, I click save, and I can go back and I can continue to add or upload courses. So here I can add a lesson, I can even add an exam, and you can even restrict different parts of your course until somebody takes an exam or completes a certain module in the course. So the Great Discovery makes it super easy just to upload all of your content and get your course hosted. You know, some platforms you have to be like a web designer in order to get your courses up on the platform, where it requires all these steps. You simply follow this template and you can get your courses up on the platform in a very, very short period of time. Now, once you've created the courses and followed this template, you'll click submit for a review. It will go into pending, and then it will go into published. I will show you, if I look up my name on the platform, Alex Hitt, you can find my courses here. You can see that I have 5 courses live. So you can search by that. They can search by category and find me. They can search by the language or the translated language. By creator, you see my name is there, or by skill level. You can also search by keywords. So somebody could type in YouTube, and that's another way to find my different courses. But if we look up Alex, you'll find my courses here. And then if I go to, let's say, this course, you'll see that this is the landing page that is automatically created once you complete the template as a course creator. So you see here's my title, here's the description of my course, here's my thumbnail image and my video, here's the what you'll learn section, here's the different modules that people can preview. Here's my reviews. So you can see I have 4 5-star reviews for this course, and then it promotes other courses down here. Now, if a learner wants to come here and take the course, they can simply click here on continue, and they can jump right into my course. So this is what the course looks like for learners on the platform. This is my free SEO course. If you'd like to download this, you can download it for totally free. Here's the different videos. So I have a video here. I have a video here. The language translations are right here. So I have this course translated into Spanish, French, Italian, German, and Mandarin. We'll look at the German translation here. So I can translate this course into German. Here's the translated version.
Wenn du in den sozialen Medien wachsen willst, ist Suchmaschinenoptimierung, SEO, eine der besten Methoden. Ich erhielt Millionen von
Isn't that amazing? And here's the original. So that was obviously the translated version. I don't even speak German, but our platform, you can switch in between the different languages that you translate in. So here was the original. If you're looking to grow on social media, search engine optimization, SEO, is one of the best ways to do it. Ain't that amazing? That's pretty cool, right? So another way to go about this is the checkout page. So when a customer does want to buy a course, we can go here. I'm now logged in. I'm in a customer perspective. We can go to view all courses. We can look for my courses again, Alex Hitt. We can find this YouTube course, and this one does have a price, and so I'll show you the checkout cart feature. And all the payments are taken by the Great Discovery. The checkout is done by the Great Discovery. You're paid out weekly on the Great Discovery, and you don't have to manage any of it or set up any of the sales funnels or set up any of the payment pages or the payout pages. It's all done for you automatically, which I love. So here's my YouTube course. It's $39. I can click add to cart. You'll see that this will then add it to my shopping cart. So I have a $39 checkout. I'll go ahead and go to checkout now. And this is what a customer would do if they were going to buy your course. You'll see that the course is now in the shopping cart, and I can come here to check out, the price being $39. If we have any coupon codes, you can enter the coupon code there, but we'll go ahead and click sign up and check out. Then the customer simply fills out this customer sign up, just this information here. They click next, agree to the terms of service, and they can purchase your course. Once you purchase courses, we'll go back to the main Great Discovery website. Once you purchase your courses, when you're logged into your account, you can go to My Learning and My Courses, and you'll see these are all the courses that I've either downloaded for free or have purchased. And so I have this entire catalog of courses that I can go back to and look at later on. You'll see these are all the different courses that I've downloaded. I can simply click on them if I want to access them and watch them again. And all my completed courses are here. So these are all the courses that I've completed. And that is a simple overview of the Great Discovery platform. Like I said, the thing that I love about it, it's so simple. It's so simple to upload your courses. It's much faster than any other platform. They create you those beautiful landing pages and the checkout pages for you automatically with no extra effort on your part. So anybody, if you have material, can very, very simply upload your courses onto this platform and start selling them immediately. The other part about the Great Discovery is when you upload your course onto the Great Discovery, every single affiliate on the platform and every single course creator on the platform is automatically an affiliate of your course the moment it goes live on the Great Discovery. So as soon as you upload your course, well, we can all go out there and start promoting it and marketing it for you. And you don't have to manage any of that. The affiliate platform is entirely managed, paid out, tracked. All the customer service is done for you for that one-time fee. So that's incredible. There's no other platform like that allows everybody to automatically become an affiliate for you, and then you don't have to manage anything, and you get this global network of affiliates who can go out there and promote your courses for you. So if you have any questions, leave them below this video. I'll make some more tutorials on the Great Discovery. If you're interested, let me know what you want to see next. But thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're interested in getting started with the Great Discovery, go ahead and click on the video below to find out the different ways that you can get started. Thanks.